Then they go again with the ball and stuff. What am I now? I'm on narrow. You spend a lot of chains, watches to have nice tattoos, and then they bother you with the shirt. Put your shirt on. Jesus. Same, and I don't like to repeat. Listen to the sound. That's eyes cracking. Same thing with the drum beat, you know. You did a lot of records recording in the studio with the borrowed drum. Then you buy an old beat, and suddenly everybody made records but you. That's sick. That's really sick. You start recording and they are telling you, but you are the dog. No, I'm not. It's just the 11th of July. Spellichiamoci. I cannot show you any date, but I can show you my stupidity there. Yeah, as we were saying, you work a lot for a lot of stupid things, and then what? Then you don't even need to open the drawers. What am I doing here? I'm doing some stupid. I like to save a decent base. Just some whip, you know. You won't change much in here. Of course, there's no alcohol for you kid ones. All wine pitches with alcohol. The sugar, ice, with lime already adjusted. Just a bit of lime in there. Come on. You won't feel it. I didn't save any from here, you know.